Tuklar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Conrad ke sangmau loong bakalong kabadon kamya ke Sorkar Pdeng bahkan Tuklar hino ha kabayade baka jinge keren Pynbeit put ha Pdeng ke Meghalaya bat Assam namar kumba kalong menta ka jinglong jingman kalah kela hadien ke kabalajah mukro ha ka arpu artari unai wing ha bakren hadien balaya kendu yo Menteri Kor Bariu Amit Shah ha New Delhi Conrad uloong bahaka jinge keren labatai ho Amit Shah baka jingja ki bakum hamukro kidai damar ki jingbam patla ban Pynbeit yo put usam bat ka Assam ulakren shairu bahadien ka jingja hamukro ka jinge kren Pynbeit put bat ka Sorkar Assam kalai kendu mau siang bat ladan kam ban yatai bah khnang ban don biang ka jingshania dei hang ni Conrad ulaong baka Sorkar Pdeng ka dei ban Tuklar.
We shared with the Honorable Union Home Minister that the root cause of the entire tension that has been building up in that area and other areas has to do with the long pending border issue between the two states. And different incidents have led to the situation becoming more tense, which ultimately led to the situation where about a couple of days back where this unfortunate incident happened. And therefore it is very important that all efforts should be made to ensure that the border dispute is settled, and now that this incident has happened, the talks that were going forward has hit a certain hurdle, and there is a lot of area where trust has to be built, and hence the intervention of Government of India will be necessary in that front. We also discussed about the security and safety of the people in the border area, especially in the sensitive zones and the disputed zones. And we urge the Government of India to initiate a process to ensure that both the state governments come together to ensure that such kind of incidents do not take place in the future, which will require both the state government